French artist immortalizes Saint models with her brushstrokes. Being Jamaican isn't just a nationality, it's an experience. You have to live it to understand. Jamaica is almost always on top of the trend game, be it culture, art, music, or sports. Living in Jamaica is such an underrated experience and many Jamaicans take it for granted. Recently, we were reminded of the greatness of our nation when French artist Marguerite Wibaux came to visit. The love affair with Jamaica was instantaneous for Marguerite Wibaux during her recent week-long artist-in-residence stay in St. Andrew. From forging connections with island-raised creative peers in the capital city, to discovering the intrinsic charm of Portland's natural attractions, the French artist's working vacation left her enamored with the rock. She revealed that a particular highlight for her trip was the collaborative project she initiated with CEO of Saint International Model Agency, Dwight Peters, and in turn recruited 3 of Peters' models to immortalize with her brushstrokes. Saint models Val Houghton, Sabrina Nugent, and Christoph Taylor were Wibaux's art subjects. Over 3 days, Wibaux married their facial and body structure to tell a story. Her cultural exchange with the models resulted in a final oil-on-canvas painting she lovingly titled One Love. Of the finished work with the Saint Trio, Wibaux explained that men and women relationships are very complex here in Jamaica, I feel, and women have to be extra strong. In my painting, even though men are in the foreground and block the way to Sabrina, she is the hero of the story. Wibaux is currently showcasing selected portraiture in a show called Together at the Yard Gallery in New York that runs until April 17th.
Thank you for checking us out on Good News Jamaica TV for content that informs, inspires, and transforms. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more positive Jamaica content. Walk good